If you're someone that goes crazy for carrot cake, guess what? Today you came to the right kitchen, because in this video I'll show you how I make my quick, easy and flavorful carrot cake that makes everyone beg for more. Hey guys, it's Roxy Chow and welcome to my kitchen. Thanks so much for stopping by and showing me some love. My peeps, let's get right into today's recipe. Guys, what I love about this recipe is that it requires no mixer, and you don't have to be an expert at baking to master this carrot cake using my technique. So right here you'll see that my twist on carrot cake incorporates one of the most delicious flavors of the Caribbean, coconut. When you try this recipe, you'll understand why coconut is used to enhance the flavors of numerous dishes all around the world, and that's why I use it a lot in my recipes. So I always taste my batter or have my husband or son taste it to know if I need more sugar or spice to make sure my cake comes out nice. Guys, my cooking mantra is have fun in the kitchen and create something delicious. Guys, let me tell you something. This recipe is so good, you may have to double the ingredients to have enough carrot cake to go around. One loaf does not last long in my house. My peeps, if you've made it this far and you're loving my video, please be kind and give this video a big thumbs up. So there you have it guys, deliciously moist carrot cake, Roxy Chow style. Please try it out and let me know how it works for you. Before you go, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to help support my channel. Enough love and blessings, and see you in my next video.